this Sunday morning, 2 July
2017.
217,
Ny zavatra tao ampony Joseph.
there was something inside Joseph's heart. That is,
Nosainy isanandro.
that he think about it every day.
Tao ampony isanandro.
Inside of his heart.
Tsy niala tao ampony.
The man keeping inside his
Fa
heart.
indray andro
But one day,
dia tonga ny fotoana.
that time has come.
Niseho amizay le tao ampony
What has
hatramin'izay.
been inside his heart is
Niaina le tao
open.
ampony amizay izy.
He said, but what is said in his heart,
Raha tsy nahilikolina izy.
if unless he was expelled,
Dia tsy niseho zay zavatra zay.
that thing cannot happen.
Fa ny fanoliana nanjo azy
But this expelling,
no nahatonga azy tamilay natonga azy nahita ny zavatra tao ampony tranga.
made him seeing something inside his heart
Lazaiko
happening.
anao
I tell you,
raha tsy nahilika
unless I am not expelled,
mety nalefa ny pasterako tany ambanivohitra.
I must be sent to the country.
Mety nalefa ny tany Edigo.
I might be sent to Daigo.
Mety nalefa ny tany
I
Ambatondrazaka.
must be sent to Batundasak.
Fa nahilika amizay
But I am expelled.
tena azo aina
I am all right.
afaka andeha araky ny vision ato anatiko.
I can go to with my vision inside of
Ary
me.
androany maraina
And today,
dia anomboko zany zavatra
that
zany
will be starting.
amin'ny anaran'i
In
Jesosy
the
avy
name of
Nazareth.
Jesus from Nazareth,
Manana faniriana
I have a dream.
raiky ambin'ny folo taona lasa zay.
11 years ago,
Raiky ambin'ny folo taona lasa zay.
11 years ago,
Itoro ny
to
filazantsara
preach gospel
any amin'ny firenena hafa.
to other nations.